I'm gonna get ready to go. I'm gonna grab my items that I typically take with me on site every time I go. And yeah, let's get on the road. Featuring Mia. Mia. So we are ready to go. For reference, I live about an hour and a half away from my practicum site, but my commute ends up being an hour and a half or 2 hours away, depending on the traffic. And with it being 6 a.m., I will run into some traffic at about 7-ish on the road. However, it's not too bad like when I leave around this time, because my shift today is going to be from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. today.